Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pelumi and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to be doing a dance tutorial and I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 different Afro dance steps. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share to your family and friends. Make sure you stay tuned and I'm gonna see you when the video starts. Okay, the first one we're going to be learning is Zanku. How to Zanku, and I will show you guys how it is done. So this is how Zanku looks like normally. Now the first step is to make your legs into K leg. You curve your legs in and then you're going to stamp like this. Practice this first. Boom, 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 boom. I want to like go lower for it. Go lower and then K legs and then boom, 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 boom. So you're just going to do boom, 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 boom. Now you're going to add the jumps to it. It's boom, 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 boom. So it's like this touch, this touch, this touch, this touch. Boom, 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 boom. So let me go over the steps again. You sit lower. You sit lower, curve your legs in, touch, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down. So it's this boom, boom, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down. Now you want to add the jumps to it. It's and your hands, you can just like do anything with your hands. You can do this. So what you want to do, just practice this first. Touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down. Make sure you are lower and your legs are curved. Touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down. So it's boom, 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 boom. You can make your hands do anything you want to do, but I usually just do this. So it's touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down, touch down. That is one style. That's one way of dancing Zanku. The second dance we're going to be learning is Shaku Shaku. And Shaku Shaku is, let me show you how it looks like first. Boom, 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 boom. And now what you're going to do first is to practice this. Just throw your legs to the side and you turn your body towards that side. Just practice that first. Let me come a little bit closer. So it's like this. Boom, boom, boom. Strike your leg as you are going to the side. And your body too needs to go to the side. And then you do boom. You strike.
Practice that first. Strike. Up. Strike it, up, strike it to the other side, strike, 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 strike.
So you're just going to follow your body with the strike. You see, as I strike, my other leg, my right leg comes forward. So as I strike, this leg comes up. Yeah, it raises up, and then as I strike to the side, boom, this leg is ready to take off. So it's like boom, 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 boom. So you want to make sure you turn very well so that it will be defined. It will be a defined shaku shaku. Turn, you turn your body to the side fully. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Practice that first. Just practice this. Boom, 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 boom. Side, side, side. make sure you're striking your legs, because that will help you when you want to actually do the striking pose or shaku shaku.
I just want to make sure you guys see it very well. So side, 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 and then your hands are just going to do boom.
So when you strike, make sure this leg comes up, so it's boom. Practice the strikes like this. Boom, 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 boom. Just keep practicing that. You get used to the movement, and then you add your hands to the strike. Boom, and you turn. Boom, and you turn. Boom. It's just like a continuous striking pose. Boom, strike, 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 strike. You can do anything you want with your hands, but what people usually do is boom, 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 boom. But yeah, you can do anything, but that's what people usually do with their hands. But just practice your striking poses. Boom, boom, boom. It's as if you want to take off for a run. So boom, but you are not actually running, you are staying in that position. So they say, oh, your market said go, boom, you are about to take off. So that is what you're actually doing. Boom. Where your leg goes, your body goes. So if you're going to the left, your body goes left, and if you're going to the right, your body goes right. So your body should be able to move freely. It should not be stiff when you strike your pose. Your body should follow your leg.
So it's boom, 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 boom.
Yes, that is how you do it. That's how you do it, is boom, 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 boom. Yeah. The third dance we're going to be learning is Gbeku. It's just, I think it just recently came out now, and I love the dance so much. It's not that hard. This one is actually easy. So let me show you guys how it looks like first. So this one, you're just like shaking your hips. You know the cultural dance? Boom, 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 boom. But this one, you're going to like
boom, 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 boom.
So just practice this leg first. Let your body get used to this movement. Boom, boom. Let your body get used to this movement. Boom, 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 boom. So you're just shaking your hips and making sure your body follows you. Your body is just like moving, but your hips is the one doing most of the work. It's like a tigi dance. You know this one? And then this one is just like you're standing straight. You're not actually bending like a tigi. This one you are actually straight, your body straight. You just add your hands to it. This is how I do my hands. I do boom, 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 boom. I make my hands curve, so I start from here and then I go here. So it's going to be like So this way, you're just like right, left, right, jump, right, left, right, jump, right, left, right, jump, right, left, right, backwards. So this dance is really easy. You just have to make sure you shake your waist with it. So boom, 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 boom. So as you're doing this dance, your leg, you're moving forward. So 1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. So let me show you in slow motion.
1, 2, 3, back. 1, 2, 3, back. You jump back.
So that is just Gbeku, boom, boom. But you don't have to do the moving one. You can do the staying in place one.
Boom. Yeah, so you can just do that if you don't want to keep moving and jumping.
Those are the 3 dances, and the 4th one we're going to be learning is leg work. Yeah, the first one we're going to be learning is leg work. There are different types of leg work, so I'm going to be doing a video on the specific type of leg works. I'm just going to teach you one type of leg work, and it is, let me show you guys how it looks like. It's boom, 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 This one is actually kind of complicated because when I started learning it, I was so confused, guys. I didn't know how to do this dance at first, and anytime I did the dance, anytime I did this leg work dance, I used to feel the pain in my calves. Yeah, my calves used to pain me because you know you are always on your tippy toes in this dance, this leg work dance. But I got used to it, and I'm sure you guys are going to get used to it. So let me show you guys how to do it. So for leg work, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this one comes up, 1, 2, 3. So this one goes up, this one goes up and back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Step, 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 step. You are on your toes, you are on your heels, so don't go. You are always standing up like this for this dance. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's like you're going up the stairs, a staircase. So just practice the 1, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, you see how I go up and this other leg follows. You drop this one and bring this one back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So just practice 1, 2, 3 on your tippy toes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The front leg goes up, the back leg goes up. You drop it down and return. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me show you guys what you do with your body. So when you go, strike the pose of, it's as if you want to run up the stairs. So when you strike this pose, your body lays forward, but don't go all the way forward because you're going to be imbalanced. So when you strike the pose, your body should go forward like you're about to take off. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So your chest area should do the work. So when you strike your leg, your body should take you forward. Your body should automatically go forward when you do that. So that's going to make you learn it faster. And let me show you guys what you do. So your hands can do anything. You can make your hands like this, or you can do the peace sign when you dance. It's basically up to you to do what you want. I usually do my hands anyhow I want to do it. I just do boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you just want to keep practicing the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is basically it. Just practice the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and make sure you remember that your chest area goes forward as you do it. And your hand choice is totally up to you. You can do what you want with your hands. This is how it looks like. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is basically the leg work I'm going to be teaching you for today. The next dance I'm going to be teaching you guys is Shoki. Shoki is a very old dance, and I just want to show you guys how to do it. So for Shoki, there are different styles, there are different ways of dancing Shoki, but I usually do this. Boom. Or you can do boom, boom. So I'm going to teach you guys one of the ways to do Shoki. To dance Shoki is like this. Practice this from side to side. Boom, boom, step, step. This is so easy. Just practice this, and then add your hands to it. Add your hands to it. So your hands just go up, and then boom. Let me show you guys. So it goes up like this, and then boom, up like this, and then boom. So let me show you from this side. So it just goes up. Your hand movement is very easy. Just take it from down and bring it up. You curve your hands You curve your hands like this when you bring it upwards. When you bring it up, practice this movement. Boom, 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 boom. So your leg is just going this way, and then you add your hands to it. Now let me show you guys how it's supposed to look like. So you can decide to curve your legs if you want. Look at how I'm doing this one now. I can curve my legs if I want. It's still the same movement, but I'm just curving my legs more. You can just practice this if you like. Practice this. Curve your legs inwards and then edge. And then you add your hands to it. 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 So those are the 5 dance steps I'm going to be teaching you guys for today, and I want to show you guys how everything fits together when I dance it to this song. So let's go. Hey, boom, Zanku, boom, 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 boom. Hey, Shaku, boom, boom, boom. Hey, Gbeku, hey, boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey, boom, boom, boom. Leg work. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh yeah, boom, 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 boom. So guys, that is basically it. I hope you've learned something from today. I'm going to be doing more dance tutorials, and I'm going to be teaching you guys dances later on. But for now, that is it. Practice, practice, practice. I am out of breath, but practice, practice, practice. From me, it's a see you again. Peace and love from me to you. Thank you.